Ladies and gentlemen, as the investigators go closer and closer to the truth in the Kerala Gold for Terror scandal, a top UAE diplomat whose name is repeatedly featured in the probe is believed to have fled India. Tonight, the focus is on the deep international and political nexus, because this has implications on India's security. We have hard evidence that the Pinarayi Vijayan government cannot ignore. Here it is, and then we debate.
On the 3rd of July, this bag intercepted at the Thiruvananthapuram airport was being used to smuggle 30 kgs of gold from UAE. This bag was allegedly addressed to Rashid Khamis Al-Shameli, in charge of UAE Consulate General. 13 days after the most sensational gold for terror racket was busted, this diplomat has reportedly fled the country. The agencies have solid leads against this man who could be the kingpin of the racket. Call data records show that between the 1st of June and the 4th of July, in a span of 33 days, there were 117 calls that were exchanged between the UAE diplomat and main accused Swapna Suresh. 20 of these calls were made on the day the racket was busted, and the calls continued even as the Customs Department had launched a massive manhunt.
WhatsApp chats of a minister with the UAE attaché, WhatsApp chats of a top secretary in the Chief Minister's office, call records between the two main accused in the Kerala Gold scandal, call records between them, a minister, and the UAE attaché. It's getting too close to the Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan. It's not just about gold smuggling. It's also about national security and a breach of protocol that could have larger ramifications.
The UAE diplomat's role came to light when Swapna Suresh named him in her bail petition. And was also spotted in SIMI member turned Kerala Minister KT Jalil's chat box discussing food bags allegedly in the month of May.
Somebody belonging to the personal staff of the Chief Minister protects somebody, has long phone calls with the accused people, and then it's very clear that a crime has taken place which has got huge ramification for national security, and therefore the Chief Minister's office has to take the responsibility.
The brazen violation of diplomatic protocols cannot be ignored. The Ministry of External Affairs is keeping a close watch.
On this matter, we have seen the media reports, and what I can say at this point is that we are in touch with the UAE authorities and we are in touch with them regarding the investigation in this matter.
7 arrests. A bureaucrat questioned for over 10 hours and suspended. A minister named in the course of probe. And a possible Islamic State connection. The investigation into the gold smuggling racket has exposed the deeper international and political nexus in alleged anti-India activities. Let's debate.